to depict and improve the flow of inventory and information. So it can be applied to the production, production operations, production flow, or a manufacturing sector, or service sector also. Service sectors also you can apply this value stream mapping. So this is the one of the lean technique widely applied in the production as well as service operations. Process production, process, service operations. What is the purpose of value stream mapping? Provide optimum value to the customer through a complete value creation process with minimum waste in. So in terms of design, concept to customer, build, order to delivery, customer orders, customer place an order, and then delivery supplier deliver the goods through some other mode like different delivery methods will be there by using the third party tool like e-commerce applications or any other applications, and then logistics will come into picture, and then this is a comes under the e-commerce applications. Other applications are comes under the last mile delivery, and then sustain in use through the life cycle to the service. This is where the your sustainable consumption comes into picture. Your sustainable consumption and production comes into picture in this case. Are you clear? Are you clear? Are you clear? Do you have any queries? Many organizations usually follow lean conversations have realized that improvement events alone are not enough. Basically, it follows the localized improvements, value stream mapping and analysis strengths, the gains by the providing vision and plans that connect all the improvement activities. It is basically a tool that allows to use allows to identify the high priority activities and map accordingly and see that the waste can be eliminated or reduced up to maximum extent and plan to eliminate it. What is the value? For a high level process mapping, okay.
Why?
Is my screen share is visible? Whiteboard.
Yes, sir.
In value stream mapping, what we have to do is exactly drill down the high level process flow. Next, this is under the strategic management strategy, operation strategy. This is under the operation strategy. Operations strategy. This is next business or production process flow or production or service. Service. Production or service process flow. Then identify the sequence of activities. So these are the main steps you need to identify before mapping the values, before doing the value stream mapping, before doing the value stream mapping. Are you clear? I will I will share this value stream mapping notes with you. Are you clear till now?
Sir, how many steps are there in the whole process, whole value stream mapping process?
First, you need to identify the what is the high level process flow, like what is the operation strategy for the particular uh, process, high level process flow. Next, what is suppose you are doing the value stream mapping for healthcare sector. What is your understanding about the service sector, service process flow, or if you are doing for a manufacturing or automotive or any other sector, healthcare or banking, that exactly understanding about the process flow of the your business process, that specific business process with respect to that industry sector. Next, identifying the tasks, identifying the individual activities and connecting the individual activities from the start to the finish of the finishing of the all the activities. Connect the all activities with information, uh, information flow and time, financial flow, and material flow, information flow, and processing. That is the entire process. You are connecting with the specific symbols. All these symbols. That is just like a flow chart you are drawing. That you are drawing. That is there any information flow? Is there any time associated with that? Is there any finance associated with that? Is there any material flow connected with that? Material flow is happening in that. So material flow usually happens between the supplier to the customer, or maybe some distributor to the customer, or so based on the activities you can identify, or some warehouse to the warehouse to the supplier, or warehouse to the customer, or warehouse to the plant. Information flow usually happens between the all the parties, and financial flow usually happens from the customer to the supplier, or customer to the other party which they are supplying the goods, and invoice transfer or invoice will be invoice document will be transferred to the from the other party or supplier to the customer, and then acknowledgement will be generated in the SAP system. SAP or any ERP system or any other their their automated system process system which they follow. Are you clear? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Maybe I'm going to share this PDF with you. I'm going to take the attendance. Please respond. Who are the absentees? Can you please quickly tell me? Or else, who are the absentees? Absentees. Who are the absentees? Okay, should I
Sir,
mark?
Coco will send you the attendance if possible.
Okay, should I mark present to all of you?
Yes, sir, that will be better.
Okay,
Yes.
I'll do that. No problem. No worries. I will do that. By next session, I'm going to complete your syllabus. Then we will have some other formalities. If you have any queries, you can approach me.